Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how to crochet this beautiful rose keychain. It's a perfect accessory for your bags, keys, or even as a lovely handmade gift. We'll be using 3-in-1 yarn and a 2-point crochet hook. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more cute and creative crochet ideas. Let's get started and enjoy every stitch together. For round 1, let's start by chaining 81. Then skip the next 4 chains. Now in the 5th chain, crochet 1, double crochet 4 chains, and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Continue by skipping 3 chains, and in the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 4 chains, 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern 19 times across. Tip: try to keep your chains even for a smooth base. You're doing great. Keep going. Now, moving to round 2. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and then work 9 double crochets into the next 4 chain space. After that, skip 2 stitches again, and make 1 single crochet into the next space. Then skip another 2 stitches, and continue with 9 double crochets into the next 4 chain space. Repeat this sequence 19 times. Tip: relax your hands to make your double crochets look fluffy and beautiful. You're building the petals now. For the leaf, chain 14. Into the chain, make SC, HDC, 2DC, 5 extended stitches, 2DC, HDC, SC, then chain 1, SC into the same stitch. Continue with HDC, 2DC, 5 extended stitches, 2DC, HDC, C. Chain 1, and slip stitch back to the base. After that, make 13 slip stitches to complete the leaf base. Tip: count carefully to keep the leaf shape balanced. You're doing awesome. Now for round 2 of the leaf, chain 30. Turn your work, and in each chain, make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, meaning you'll crochet 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Continue this pattern for all 30 stitches. Tip: a gentle tension will help the leaf curve naturally and beautifully. Almost there. To make the hook wire, simply chain 40 and slip stitch back into the starting point. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoy this project, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun crochet ideas. I can't wait to see your beautiful rose keychains. Don't forget to share your creations with me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.